Molweni, molweni, molweni. Sanibonani. Ngoku ke ndizawunixelela nge-teaser ye-homecoming. Nge-Monday 19th, that is today, ithi Mangwanyane stuns Sifiso with a shocking ultimatum. Zenzo unleashes his fury on Sifiso as Shobane plays a dangerous game. Nomfundo and Nomalanga hit another jackpot. Hey, benona masibukeleni homecoming bethuna. Nieva uMangwanyane ushaya uSifiso nge-ultimatum. Hey, ayandithini sayibukela tonight sana 6:30 on the dot. Then niyeva umuntu obana noNomfundo noNomalanga they hit another jackpot. Ayiwanda bakuzoba kanti baphinde bachola esinye isipaji na. Let's watch homecoming, guys. Then Tuesday nge-20 kaJanuary it's a hustler's paradise. Lena ke yoqala kaMangwanyane ke lena ya today it's yona Grassroads. Then masikesizeni ke ngiba ngubani le hustler's paradise. It when a patient collapses in the hospital corridor, Zethu's heroic spark conflict with the powerful Dr. Maseko. Ave powerful, ave engaqhelwa kakubi ngathi ngumatron. Meanwhile, suspicion swells as Nomfundo and Nomalanga's bold choices attract unwanted attention, and Mangwanyane faces danger on a dark village road. Ayiwandi noba usuka kulomjayivo wakhe uMangwanyane ke bethunana. And ke unabantwana like nabantwana uNomalanga noNomfundo iWest ulantuka uNomfundo. Uya overspenda, uthenga mpahla, uthenga ntoni, akukho nto angayithengiyo. Uyayibona? Then ke size ke ngokulena yangoLwesithathu, Wednesday 21 January, ithi forgiveness doesn't come easily. Masive ke ngubani lowo ke sanungaxoleli lula. Zethu is tested at work, forced to stand her ground in a hostile environment where not everything is in her control. Yava? Kalo ngubani ophetheyo kusasibhedlela? nguDr. Maseko. nguDr. Maseko lokuzethu bephethe pha kokhahlamba kozandaba zokhahlamba. Ngoku ufike kwangqengetshe ngoku kwindawo umuntu wakhona ongacingi umuntu ke sana. Then ke ngoku ithi Mangwanyane realizes her defiance has put her in danger, yet her anger at Sifiso makes it hard to soften. Yeva ke ngoku, so that means nguye ke lona mhlambi uthi forgiveness doesn't come easily. Ngiyayibona ne? Because kaloku usaqombile oSifiso bayajola amadoda ajolayo, but ke uthi musu lo uzethu ukhethwe ngabaphansi ngumama wakhe yabo lithongo, of which ke uMangwanyane ke lo wayezibuza into ba why engakhethwanga yena lithongo. Uyayibona nalonto. Then ke ngoku ithi meanwhile Nomfundo and Nomalanga find themselves cornered, caught out and blackmailed by Vusi and Siphamandla. Hebana, hebethunana, hayibo babhemi, what's going on? Hey, yava ke ngoku. Hey, waphuma uhile ezingqongolweni. Masibukeleni bantasi, masibukeleni homecoming bethunana. Love you all, love you all. Thank you ngesupport yenu. Thank you. Qhubekani ni. Sit, cofa iqhosha lokusubscribe, nithi like, nithi yava ke ngoku. Nazifumana zonke, niqhubeke ni-engage, ni-commenta, nisenza konke. Click that button. Don't forget to click that button. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything, bandase. Love you all, kibethunana. Sharp.